everyone, this video is only for dog lovers. Are you looking for the most friendly dog breeds? So here they are. Golden Retrievers. Golden Retrievers are cheerful, confident and calm. They keep their friendly attitude with everyone. More importantly, they even become friendly with strangers. Golden Retrievers are devoted to the family. They always showing the eagerness to please the family. Doubtless, they are kid-friendly dogs, but your supervision is needed when kids are with the dog. Labrador Retriever. No other breed is more popular than Labrador Retriever. It's for a solid reason. The contribution of Labradors in different fields is just exceptional. They can be a guide dog. They like to follow you and make you happy. Labrador can learn a wide range of things, but it depends on the training they get in the childhood. The good news is they will learn the command so easily. Havenzi. They are a small cute dog with the thick silky coat. The personality of the Havenzi breed is as attractive as its look. They are gentle, playful and affectionate. He wants to be with you every time. At the same time, long separation from the family can badly affect this breed. The other one is Pug. Pug is a breed that breed to be a companion dog. They have very friendly, charming and quiet nature. These good temperaments along with their tiny size make Pug a good house dog. They like to be surrounded by the family. In fact, that's what pugs wanted the most. This friendly breed can also get along well with children and other pets. Beagle. You will fall in love with this breed from the first look itself. That cute and lovely beagles are. The good look alone can't make any dog a good companion. It defines by the temperaments. With early socialization, Beagle can be a great companion for your family. They are active, gentle and playful. Beagles also have that great character of making a strong bond with every members of the family. Thank you. Subscribe our YouTube channel and stay safe.